Okay, we're back at the track for day 3, final day of this lovely, lovely event, and they are running it reverse layout. So, time to scrap everything we learned and just start all over again, I guess. But it looks like a pretty fun layout, it being reversed and all that. So, we're gonna fucking hit that and see what we got, boys. Let's do it. Okay. First lap of the 3rd day, reverse layout. See how the fuck this feel, boys. Woo. Oh, this is a lot weirder. Oh, I like this better because we go in the pits the right way. That's pretty fun. It's gonna take a couple more laps to really nail the couple of corners, but it's definitely, I don't know. Yeah, it does flow easier. You just gotta be more careful. It seems like. Okay, boys. They changed the layout back, so.
They told me to hop in with you.
Hell yeah. Catching up to everyone. Yeah, I'm not warmed up on this fucking direction yet. Shit. They're like, I'm like barely holding them. My fucking, if I don't stay on the gas and then also do like a little bit of this, then my steering gets stuck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Like when that Beamer was falling us, we went to that outer edge and I was like trying to fucking hold it. It was bad. Okay, boys and girls. Some rain came through, so we shut everything down and packed everything up, and Scooter's done and Dalton's left, and yeah, everyone's kind of out of here. But my dad got his car figured out and fixed, so that's good. So he's doing a couple runs. I don't know, I guess we're just gonna kind of vibe, I guess. I mean, because we're not leaving today, and it's only 2:30, and they're kind of just like shutting down whenever. They don't really care, just whenever everyone's kind of done. So I mean, we still got drive time. Kind of sucks that everyone's donezo, you know. But whatever. We're gonna run it. Damn, almost had it. Hell yeah. That was fucking good, boys. So that gets me up to, and I mean my coolant was already like around maybe like 160-ish when I started up. The oil was absolutely like all the way at the bottom, like 140 or less. Just from those runs, my coolant is now at 220, and my oil is about 220. You know, a little bit less on both. But I want to say the radiator is working, but I think the hole up there is just so congested that it like really is, you know, hard for the air to come in and cool it down and bleed all that hot air out. So I think the next upgrade we're probably going to be doing is some sort of hood vent situation. What it really needs is like a radiator relocation to like the back, which is a whole lot of bullshit. So that's not anytime soon. I don't even know if I'd want to do it on this car or not. I'm still trying to figure out what my plans are with this car and the Pro-Am and what I want to do. So the Pro-Am car keeps kind of getting pushed back further and further based on like money and like uncertainty about clutch kickers and mid-pon and what they're doing, and money. Because I mean, this car is pretty set up. There's not a whole lot to do besides aesthetic, like making a full wide body with fenders and livery and all that shit. I mean, the only last like big thing I could do is like a cage, but you know, if I'm stripping it down that far, then there's a whole bunch of other stuff I want to do as well. So that's kind of where we're at. Yeah. whole event. Sunday was pretty chill. Didn't do too much driving. Just kind of chilled out and packed up and did some laps, and it was pretty fun. One of my last laps, I got like real close to the wall, so I can't wait to see that footage. That's probably a little closer than I would have liked, but probably looked pretty damn cool. But yeah, we're gonna chill out with Coy and everybody else at the track, go eat some pizza, and then make the long ass trek back in the morning. Let's see, track rating. Damn, dude, it's a fun track. God, it's like the rating doesn't even matter because I'm gonna redo it all. So let's just say, let's do 8.5. Let's do 8.5 just because you can really fuck up your car. Let's put it that way. Which, I mean, some people may like that amount of risk and all that. But yeah, 8.5, and I expect that to get better because, you know, they're upgrading the track and all that. But they got a lot of cool stuff, food trucks and ices and merch and DJing. So I mean, the whole thing was a vibe. It was super cool. Just like this event in general was like a fucking 10 out of 10. Super fun. Coy did a great job, his whole family and everything. But yeah, we're gonna go chill out,